KDP Select. Should you or should you not? Hi, I'm Pooja Mohan. I'm an indie author, aka a self-published author, and welcome to my writing studio. This is the second part to the question that Yubi asked. The first part is linked in the description below. And he wants to know my thoughts on whether he should publish his book on Kindle and nowhere else. In my opinion, publishing on KDP and enrolling in their KDP Select program is a wonderful way to market your book. What is KDP Select? For anyone who is new to KDP Select, it is a program available to authors who are willing to grant exclusive rights to Amazon to sell their ebooks through their Kindle store. On the author's end, it is known as KDP Select, and on the reader's end, it is known as Kindle Unlimited. How it works is when a reader enrolls in the Kindle Unlimited program, they pay a fee every month and they are able to read as many books as they want. And for authors, when we take part in this, that is when we enroll in the KDP Select program, our books are available to readers under Kindle Unlimited or KU. And basically, you get paid for every page of your book that someone reads instead of paying for the entire book. And they have their own way to calculate how many pages and what amount you get paid for each page. KDP Select gives you two options to promote your book for free. That's making your book available for free or through Countdown, where you reduce your price for a couple of days before it goes back up to its original price point. While KDP Select program is a good option, it does have some drawbacks. In my opinion, consider your end goal from enrolling in this program. If you're new with little name recognition, this could boost your readership. It's good to know a couple of things before you enroll in KDP Select. Firstly, do a little research and find out which genres do well in KDP Select. What are the readers' behavior in Kindle Unlimited? Know how the royalty is calculated, when the payment is made, what are the general terms and conditions, etc. Know all these things so that you can assess whether your book fits well in this kind of a program. There are also some drawbacks, like you will not be able to sell your books through other platforms while your book is enrolled in KDP Select program. This can limit your book's exposure on other platforms. Another thing that you should look at is where your audience is buying their books and in what format. If your audience does not buy ebook per se, enrolling in this kind of a program will not give you any added advantage. Or if your reader buys their book on a platform other than Amazon, say for example Google Books, then enrolling in KDP Select is only going to hurt you. So it's also good to do some research on your target readers and the market as a whole. I have all my books enrolled in KDP Select at the moment. And that's because I choose not to make my book available on other platforms, knowing the pros and cons. And I have made this decision objectively. But in the future, I want to explore other platforms and make my books available through them as well. And I'll reassess at that time whether KDP Select still makes sense for me or not. I'll do a detailed video on KDP Select and my experience with it in the future. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel and your notification bell is turned to all so that you don't miss when that video goes up. Don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section below if you'd like me to answer them in one of these videos. You can check this playlist on all the other questions on self-publishing, or this one if you'd like to know more about how I set my goals. And I'll see you in the next one.